Good morning children. So last week we had started with the second lesson, avoid plastic. Today I am going to continue the same thing. So last week what we had seen, Alexander Parkes invented plastic. First he named it as Parkside. Okay. Next people used to use plastic a lot because it will be we can get it easily and it is also cheaper. So people what they will do, they will use plastic, they will throw here and there. Okay. Now we shall see what are the environmental hazards created by plastic. Okay, so plastic has few qualities. See, look at the third paragraph. These qualities cause threat to the environment. What qualities? Because it is cheaper, it can be disposed, disposable carry bags or packing materials, the people will be disposing here and there, isn't it? So these qualities cause threat. What do you mean by threat? Threat means danger. Threat means what? Danger. So, these qualities can cause threat to environment as it is cheap and easily available. People dispose plastic here and there. What do you mean by dispose? Throwing away. Plastic stays on Earth's surface for many centuries as it is long lasting and it is impossible to decompose. Okay, what happens? Plastic is not decomposable. I told in the last class the difference between degradable, biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances, isn't it? So, plastic is a non-biodegradable, means it will not get decomposed in the soil. It will take many centuries to get decomposed. It ultimately causes enormous environmental hazards. Due to migration, plastic pollution is highly concentrated in big cities. So what happens, so many people, they are moving from villages to towns nowadays, isn't it? So because of that also, so many people will be using plastics. So they will be throwing here and there. This type of things causes very much environmental hazards in the big cities. When these are thrown after use, see, after using we will throw plastic. Yes, we are all doing that, isn't it? They remain in the soil in the same form as they are non-biodegradable. Already I have told you they are non-biodegradable, so it will be remained in the soil. Plastic causes serious damage to the environment at every stage of its production. See, whenever the plastic is produced only, it will cause serious damages to the environment. Even after disposal, bisakad melu kuda, it will cause serious problems. To reduce the risks involved in plastic, the usage should be minimized. Minimized means we should reduce the using the plastic, which can result in production. The chemical that is used in the production of plastic is toxic. The chemical which is used to produce plastic is very much toxic. Toxic means poisonous. Okay. So poisonous, it is very, very poisonous. You have seen in the streets so many dogs and cows, they will be eating which is fallen on the ground, isn't it? So it will be contain toxic materials. If they swallow that, what happened? Even the animals will fall sick, isn't it, children? So that is why please tell your parents also to minimize the plastic. We will be using it as available here and there, but we can reduce the using it, isn't it? Nowadays they are all providing jute bags, gunny bags, everything, so that, and paper bags, we can use that. So please tell your parents to reduce the usage of plastic. And it can cause serious damage to all living beings. All living beings means including animals also. See, we can recycle this plastic. Recycle means we can give it to some people, they will make it reusing again and again. But what happens? Even recycling of plastic causes problems. The worst thing is that recycling degrades the quality of plastic. What do you mean by degrading? Adurdu mahatvana kadame madadu. So, to again bring back the properties of the plastic, what they will do? They will add much more plastic. So, day by day they will be using again and again, they will be using plastic materials more, isn't it? And demands the production of more plastic to make the original product. See, even while recycling also, again they have to add plastic. To add plastic again they have to produce, isn't it? So, it will not be reduced if you are using more plastic. A single plastic sheet can take about 1,000 years to rot. Rot means to get decomposed. Okay, so how much years it will take? 1,000 years. A single plastic sheet can take 1,000 years to get decomposed. It also has bad impact on the food chain. I told you the animals eat this. so it will create a bad impact on the food chain also. Plastic is one of the causes for global warming. Nowadays we are getting more heat, isn't it? Because of the usage of plastic, what happens? The global warming also takes place. The earth gets heated more, isn't it? So that is why we should avoid plastic. See, what is the last impact? Not only on living beings, something happens to the rivers also. Rivers have become the main dumping ground for the plastic, which pollute the water. What happens? Few people, they will go to beach, they will go to river for the sightseeing. What they will do? They will eat some Lays, Kurkure and all. So what they will do that plastic papers, they will throw it in the rivers and seas. What happens? It becomes a dumping yard, isn't it? The plastic gets dumped there. Even the sea creatures will intake that, and also they will get affected because of the plastic. So rivers have become the main dumping ground for the plastics which pollute the water. Marine life means the sea creatures, and also the air that we breathe, even the air. See, some people, they will burn the plastic, isn't it? The chemicals that will get mixed up in the air, even we breathe that air, isn't it? So many are being profited by plastic. So many people, they will get lot of profit in the plastic. Those who get profit from plastic are trying to dispute the harm that is caused. You can't completely stop the usage of plastic, but can definitely minimize its production. For a healthy future, the use of plastic should be minimized at any cost. So people, children, what did you understand from this lesson? For our healthy future, for our children's, for our grandchildren's, for our neighbors, everybody, what we should do? We should minimize the usage of plastic. From now only we can take a step to minimize the plastic, isn't it? So let us start from us. We will first reduce using plastic, and later we can tell to others also. Okay. So from here I will stop the lesson. I am going to share the notes today. So you have to write it in a book. Okay children. Thank you.